Wondering what's next for Nifty? Let's decode this roller coaster week and prepare for what's ahead. Nifty hit a high of 25212 and a low of 24567. After 3 days of losses, we finally saw some green. Expect this momentum to continue at least into Monday's first half. No short positions if the market's above 24750. Only short if it dips below 24750 and stays below it for 15 to 20 minutes. New long positions? Wait until it sustains above 24900 for some time. Remember, the market's weekly closing is lower in comparison with last week, signaling continued weakness. FIIs are continuously selling while DIIs are holding fort. FIB support is at 240-400 and resistance at 25250. It's trading between 100 EMA and 50 EMA, showing signs of oversold zones. Volatility might stick around this month, with mixed corporate results and global factors. Results of many noticeable corporates are not very promising. Commentary by management of most companies are standard. Only Bajaj Auto came up with clear picture towards future outlook, where they confirmed that the festive orders seem to be losing steam when compared with previous years. Inflation data in India is not up to the mark. It may trigger RBI to reduce rates. Keep in mind that Indian banks are already running short on deposits, and further rate cuts will only create further pressure on banks. Only a few would be interested in keeping money in their savings account. Keep an eye on US elections. If Trump wins, IT earnings could take a hit along with trade deficit, and rupee may further depreciate. The $100 billion investment contract of India with Norway, Iceland, Switzerland, and Liechtenstein for over a period of 15 years will have little to no impact on investors and life of common people, as most of the assets and resources in country are already owned by few, and this upcoming investment will only add value to assets of those few. Reliance stumbled and continued making lower lows on weekly charts, but HDFC Bank looks promising with a morning star pattern on weekly chart. TCS, ITC, and Infosys were not so much in shape. SEBI has recently increased the position limit at TM level from 15% of total OI or 500 CRs to new levels of 15% of total OI or 7,500 CRs. This change will compensate for the removal of weekly expiries by exchanges and the revision of contract sizes, thus allowing retail investors to take positions in deep OTM contracts. That's your weekly roundup. Happy trading, and don't forget to subscribe and like.